Dolly and Friends!
Happy birthday, dear Dragon Kid. Happy birthday Oh, that was the last one.
I have an idea. Leave it to magic. Wow, cool.
And what about these scary things? We don't need them.
Oh, I have an idea.
Magic!
Happy birthday.
It's dinner time! Mommy has made for us some vegetables. What's this? Broccoli? Dolly doesn't like it. Tommy doesn't like it too. But Mommy wants her kids to eat all of it. Yeah, that's a trouble. Vegetables look so untasty. Enough, says Tommy. He is going to have something sweet for dinner. Here it is. Tasty sweets. But look! Dolly and Tommy are having stomach aches. Sweets isn't a healthy food at all. Maybe vegetables are not that sweet, but they can also taste good.
Ready? Go!
Right. You need to warm up before the race. Hey, what are they doing here?
Not good enough. Try again. Warming up. Tommy, even toy cars go faster.
This might be a very fast toy car.
Yeah, I tweaked the engine a bit.
Tweaked? So, what if we tweak my skate too?
But it's not fair.
Fair? Fair, you said? Is it fair to kick us out of the park? Come on, let's go. Enough of this games.
Tricksters! Okay, we'll tweak something too. Come on, let's go!
Wow, cool stuff!
Don't touch anything. Let's start.
Oh, I know. Let's take a shortcut.
Now, everyone will see.
Oh! Let's build wings and a rocket engine for your bike.
Do you know how to build rocket engines?
No.
Ready?
Ready!
We need to tweak the speed mode a bit.
No time for this. I need to go home and have a good sleep before the race. See you in the park.
Can't you live a single day without incidents? Hopefully, I know what we should do. The book. You need 5 green crystals to open new portal. Then lure the slug into the portal and voila, problem solved.
Why can't you just open the portal with your staff?
Because we have a giant slug here. It needs a giant portal.
But how can we lure the slug?
Turn on imagination. That's all. Now go away. I can't mess with you all day. Come on, go.
Well, hopefully we have a single slug. Sure, he's single. Let's make him miss his slug to lure him in the portal. Oh, no. Hold still. I'm not really sure if this is a good idea. You look pretty. Take care of the slug and we'll take care of the crystals. Okay. I see mine! Me too! Are you done there? Let's finish this! What an adventure!
Another evening with friends. And Panda knows how to make it more interesting. She wants to play with bricks. Look how many bricks we have here. Oh, let's put them on one another. Oh, now that's a nice little tower. A little tower of a big city. Clop, clop. Oh no, it's a ghost. What? A dinosaur? Oh, Tommy, seriously? The dinosaur is destroying everything. The buildings are about to fall. Watch out! Ah, our city! Now it's time to play Touch and Run.
Dolly and Tommy were building a sandcastle when suddenly they saw a pirate bottle washed ashore. Dolly took the bottle from the ground, opened it, and found a map inside. The map was showing the way to the hidden treasures. Dolly and Tommy decided to find them. They were walking far, far away, searching for the treasures. And finally, they found the place where the treasures were hidden. Tommy got tired digging out the treasure chest. Dolly and Tommy brought the chest home, but it was locked. Nobody knew how to open it. Dolly and Tommy had left the chest here until tomorrow. But when the night came over, the chest started trembling and cranking. Dolly was so scared. And suddenly, the creepy skeleton jumped out of the chest. It had yellow burning eyes and scary bony hands. The skeleton was so close. But then, Tommy ran into the room. He came here to rescue Dolly. Skeleton turned around and was going to go and grab Tommy. But Tommy used his flashlight to drive the skeleton away, and he fell back where he came from. Dolly and Tommy locked the chest and left it outside, far away from their home.
Dolly and friends are playing on the sand. Oh, Panda is trying too hard. Now we need to run for the ball. Uh-oh, Tommy has disappeared. We need to call Johnny the officer. Tommy has disappeared, Mr. Officer. Okay, let me see. Looks like Tommy is right in that cave. Let's go and find him. The cave looks so dangerous. But we must find Tommy. Johnny should be very careful. Oh, what was that? Looks like nothing. And again, very careful. What? A ghost! Oh no, it's flying for Johnny! But wait, it's not a ghost. It is Tommy! Johnny was so scared. Very funny joke, Tommy. But looks like Johnny doesn't think so.